Look, there's a lot of stuff for you to take out there, a lot of supplements, a lot of vitamins, a lot of minerals, but today I'm gonna narrow it down into the vitamins and minerals that I've used that are scientifically proven to make you legit superhuman, intellectually, creatively, energetically, and physically. Let's hop into this. Number one, protein. You have to understand, protein are the main building blocks of the body, so they serve an essential purpose. This is single-handedly the best and probably safest supplement that men over their 20s and in their 30s can take when they're trying to gain or build muscle. Talking about building muscle, number two, creatine. This is a well-known sports supplement for men. Most of you have heard of it. From the research that I've done, the side effects are minimal and it's a pretty safe supplement to take. The most important part is that it's a great supplement to take to build up energy and stamina in the gym. It helps increasing muscle mass, boost strength, and enhance muscle definition. And it just doesn't stop at the gym. Creatine can also help improve brain function and increase in testosterone. 3, multivitamins. You see, multivitamins would be useless if you had a balanced diet. If everyone in the world lived in perfect fairy tale land and you had an extremely rigorous diet where you're taking all the vitamin A's, vitamin B's, vitamin C's, D's, all the minerals, all the antioxidants from your diet on a daily basis, you would never need to take a multivitamin. But because we live in the real world, this is the best supplement you can add because having a strict diet like that is borderline impossible and difficult for your average person. A multivitamin is an essential for men to fill in the gaps in your diet and make sure you're getting all the vitamins and minerals your body needs. Now, when it comes to a multivitamin, the best you could probably get in the market will be from our sponsor, Ritual. What I love about Ritual is its transparency, both literally and figuratively. See, one, I love the branding. If you see the package, it almost breeds into that notion of being ultra transparent. You can see the little capsules, you can see all the ingredients inside, but more figuratively, they are super transparent as a company. So when you go to their site, you can see the multivitamins that you're gonna be receiving on a monthly basis, and then you can even see where each ingredient is sourced from. The point is that you're getting the best ingredients in the world at the highest quality, and you're knowing exactly what you're paying for and what's going inside of your body. I've never seen any other multivitamin company do that. More importantly, they also have a monthly subscription, so now the multivitamins get delivered to your door every time you need. And for me, stuff that I know I have to do on a daily basis, I just like it to be on repeat because I know I'm gonna forget to go to the store and replenish what I need. And when it comes to these daily supplements, this is something you don't want to skip and you want to be as consistent as possible. Ritual allows you to do that in an easy way by getting everything you need delivered to your door. The cool part with Ritual also are their unique capsules. Not only do they allow for more of the vitamins and minerals to be absorbed by the body and not just washed through, but also it has a light mint flavor to them. So when you take them, it doesn't leave any weird aftertaste and it almost feels like you just swallowed a mint. It tastes pretty good and it leaves your breath fresh. If you guys want to check out great multivitamins to help fill in those gaps in your diet, you have to check out Ritual. If you guys click the link down below or go to ritual.com/TMF20, you're gonna get 20% off your first month, which makes it an absolute steal so you can get started with a healthier lifestyle. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. Number 4, probiotics. Probiotics are also very beneficial for a healthy microbiome and even a healthy immune system. Having a healthy gut can lead to a myriad of benefits from your energy levels, to your immune system, to your strength. This is one of those supplements that most men forget about, but I would recommend to add to your daily intake. 5, ashwagandha. I can never pronounce it, ashwagandha. This is a natural root. You can find it online. The cool thing about this root is that it's been scientifically proven to help increase testosterone in men, but also lower stress and depression. So yes, you've probably seen jokes online of people being more like unfazed or not having emotions when they're on this. Personally, I take this daily. I've been doing so for over 2-3 years. I've done videos on them before. Yes, you do feel an increase in testosterone. Yes, it's beneficial for that. I can't say that it's completely removed emotions on me, but overall, it's a great natural supplement to take. Number 6, melatonin. Melatonin is one of the most potent antioxidants, which most of you know it for sleeping, but it can also help with men's sexual health, which is a win-win. The sexual health part of it is great, but also the sleeping part. See, most guys aren't recovering their body. They're not sleeping right. And if you're one of those guys that stay up constantly or are not sleeping healthy enough, you need to start taking melatonin. Like I said, it's a 2-for-1. Your sexual health gets increased, but also your melatonin levels will become regulated to the point that now you can have healthy sleep at night to recover better in the morning. Finally, number 7, it's called coenzyme Q10. Well, this is single-handedly one of the best energy supplements for men to boost cellular energy production in men while also helping boost blood flow. This is one that, again, probably not too common in your daily routine, but I would suggest, especially once you start hitting your 30s, that you want to gain some more of that natural energy back. This is a great supplement for that.